Are you currently insured with one of these insurance companies through another insurance broker? Did you know you can get that same coverage and price but receive additional member benefits and savings with home membership free of charge? You're already paying an insurance premium, why not get additional member benefits and discounts for that same premium payment through home membership? To switch over, we send you one simple form to electronically sign on your smartphone and you're done. Then as a member, you receive access to our discount club, which saves you tons of money on many home-related services like carpet cleaning, window install, and more. You also get access to our home site assistance, so if you have a breakdown at home or in need of a repair, we help connect you with a qualified local vendor, and in most cases, you get a discount from that vendor just for being a member. We also run specials all the time for our members that include extreme discounts on home maintenance services like HVAC, seasonal clean and checks, gutter cleanings, water heater flushes, chimney cleanings, and more. Think of us as an insurance broker that has HomeAdvisor and Groupon in our back pocket, but on a local level. Also, for a limited time, any new members who move their insurance over to home membership, we will send you 12-month furnace filters for free. You can switch over at any time and you don't have to wait until renewal. So again, no changes to your current insurance premium, sign one simple form electronically, and home membership becomes your new insurance broker, and you get all the additional member benefits, discounts, and added services offered to our members just for having your insurance with us. Also, one last thing, if you're a current home warranty member of ours, you receive a $0 deductible on all home warranty claims if you have insurance with us, and you get a $500 deductible credit on all homeowners insurance claims. Think of it as a $500 reduction on your homeowner's insurance deductible. If you have additional questions or you would like to place your insurance with home membership, please email info@homemembership.com or call the office at 502-365-9805.